Well, hello, all my fluid art friends. It's Doris at DF Designs, and guess what? I'm going to try this one more time, okay? I don't know if it's going to work. I got some colors mixed up, a little bit thinner than what I've been using, so let me see how I want to start with. Okay, I'm going to start with, this is the White Pearl Metallic by Rustoleum. I'm going to show you. It's a little bit thinner than it was before. So I'm going to put a small layer of this on the bottom. Okay. Now I've got a yellow and I don't want it next to the blues. So I'm going to put this next to that. And then I'm going to put the gold on top of it. And then the two blues. Okay, this is primary yellow by, let me see, Amsterdam. It is the standard series, not the expert series. I went back and rewatched a lot of Erika Art's videos. And I'm hoping that I can do this justice this time. Okay, there's the yellow. Now on top of that, I'm going to put the gold, which is the Iridescent Precious Gold number 350 by PEBEO. These originally had Liquitext gloss varnish and then Floetrol added to them. And I just put them out of the bottles and put them into cups and thinned them down. Okay, now I'm gonna do phthalo blue. This is Golden's Heavy Body, but it's been thinned down. Okay, and the last color I'm going to do is the Greenish blue number 557 by Amsterdam, and it's out of the standard series, not the expert series. Okay, there we go. Because I'm trying not to get any green in there. Now I know this is a greenish blue, but I'm trying not to get any green with that yellow. Okay, now I'm going to do one more layer of each color, little layers, because this is only an 8 by 10. Okay, so it's going to be the white. Drip. That last drip always takes forever to come off of there. Okay, and while I'm pouring these last layers, I just wanted to say hi and welcome to my channel. I am a resin artist by nature, but I am getting into acrylic pouring, which is a whole different beast, so believe me, I am having fun learning it. Okay, now I'm going to put some of the gold on top of it. So if you're new here, welcome to my channel. And if you are a returning viewer, welcome back to my channel. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Well, give me a thumbs up first. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so. It's free. And then don't forget to hit the little bell for the notifications. I go live twice a week. I do resin art on Tuesdays at 6 p.m. Central. And I go live on Sundays, 12 noon Central, doing acrylics, and I usually have a giveaway on that day. Real quick, because I know I'll get this up before Sunday. This is, wait a minute, glare. This is the giveaway this Sunday. It is a 4-pack set of Color Shift, which I haven't used any of my Color Shift yet, but I didn't need that 4-pack. So I'm going to give it away. Okay, there we go. There's a lot of paint in here. Now this time, because I had problems before, wait a minute, I'm gonna turn it this way, okay? And I'm gonna try to come this way with it, okay? So you want to go very, very slowly over the edge. Try to hold it as close as you can. Oh, I see waves. I see waves. Yay. Now, wonky waves too, but hey, they're waves. That's all that matters. And I'm trying to hold it as close as I can. And I think I'm just going to go over here on the edge with what's left so I can get some of it onto the canvas to help the corners. And let me put some of it over here. There we go. I better torch it because I just mixed all these paints. Let me just turn that upside down there. Let me clean my hands real quick before I grab my torch. Let's see, which torch do I want to use? Oh, this one's handy. I'll just use it. I have two other torches too, but my old standby. Yeah, there's a lot of paint on here, but look, I got waves there and I got waves there. I do not know what happened in the middle. Oh, I'm just so excited I got waves. Because somebody told me I should use her pouring medium, which I've done in the last ones, but I wasn't too happy with the way it came out. Okay, let me bring it over here to this corner and back. I think I got waves. Okay, I don't want to lose the waves over the edge. Yeah, I lost some of them. Now I'm going to bring it over this corner. Bring it back up. I see lots of air bubbles I better get rid of. Looks like I've lost all the waves. So I still need to practice a lot with the way I pour it out. Okay, let me look to see what needs to be covered. And I can see already that I'm going to need to torch it again. Okay, let me put a little bit of paint right here. Yeah, this corner needs some too. Looks like I got all my sides covered. Let me turn it so I can see these corners. Yeah. I'm going to put a little bit of paint right there to hopefully drag that blue down a little bit. Okay. Clean my gloves again. They never said painting was going to be easy. I don't know what I did. Okay. Let me do this real quick. Because what I do is, so I don't get it all over the rest of the roll, is I put a finger in the middle. Yeah, the inside of my paper towel roll looks bad. It's got all different colors of paint in there. But this way, I can get the paint off my gloves Okay, got rid of that. Torch, torch, torch. There you are. So, like I said, if you like the video, give me a like, leave me a comment, and tell me what I should have done different, because I am new to this technique. Okay. And don't forget, I go live, and if you look down in the description, down there, doink, 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 you will see my list of colors and a couple of links to go buy them from, and you'll see ways to donate to the channel if you want to. I mean, it's not required. I do these for free, but for those of you who really like what I do, if you want to donate, I have many different ways that you can buy me supplies, send me a tip, you know, whatever you might be inclined to do. Now, I'm going to say this up here, this yellow looks like waves, okay? I kind of lost the waves down here, but hey, at least I got them. Oh, I can see a little bare spot right there. So, thanks for coming in to watch today. It was an experiment, you know, and I think it turned out better than the other ones. So, there's the subscribe button, okay? Go watch this video, and don't forget to go watch this video too. And I love the fluid arts right out of you guys.